Good day and welcome to another episode of my profile. My name is Hamilton Loma, and today I have for you a very special lady as well that goes by the name of Sisana. Now she's from Mpumalanga, all the way from Emel. Now I'll be telling you a bit more about her right after this, but what I have to say is don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube handle at Makoya Entertainment. Follow us on our social media handles as well at Makoya Entertainment, and if you know or you want to be part of the show, contact us on 081 726 5609 so that you cannot miss out on any episodes that we'll be taking and will be posting anywhere and anytime. And another thing, if you are a talented young enthusiastic artist or talented person or musician, poet, actor or dancer, we might be just on your doorstep very soon. So see you right after this as we talk with our famous artist.
Sanibonani Mzansi, igama lami nguSisana wakwaNgubeni, ngiqhamuka phansi eMelo eMpumalanga. So izinto engithanda ukuzenza empilweni, ngithanda ukwenza i-TV presenter and radio presenter, and ngiyathanda ukumodela. I'm also doing acting, so I'm going to be upcoming TV presenter very soon. Watch out Mzansi, watch out Mzansi.
Welcome back to the show. Now, before this, I promised that we'll be sitting face to face with our artists and taking a swim into their profile. Now, this is a time where we just find out all about what she's all about and, get to know her better. For your sake, this is going to be awesome. We always check out on all artists and take a really, really good understanding on their profile. This is the time that we go into interviewing her. Miss Sisana, unjani? I'm good. It's great to have you today, and we have like a few questions to ask you actually on what you're all about. And umuntu waseMpumalanga uphakamisa iMpumalanga nje namhlanje. Okay, the first question. How old were you when you fell in love with entertainment?
I think I was 27 years old because it was a long time ago. I was 27 years old.
So namanje nje uvela wathi sayipusha. Okay, is there anything wahlangana nayo that made your career ukuthi ibe kube nzima, like kubunzima wahlangana nabo something?
Yeah, because I don't have so much time on this. I only knew this industry long time ago, but the problem, I don't have time to do it because of my job. I'm always at work. And when I'm off, I'm trying to push it, but I didn't get a chance to meet the successful people that will help me a lot. So that was a problem for me.
Mara, you still standing usapusha and uyakhona yini ekuinspirayo ukuthi like uloku uqhubeke nje ekupushayo
ukuthi angikhona ukugive up because ngiyathanda ukuyibona ngelinye ilanga ngiphezulu ngalento engifisa empilweni yami. So and ngiyajabula ngoba nasemsebenzini bayakhona ukunginika opportunity ukuthi ngiphume ngihambe ngiyokwenza lezi zinto engidingayo ukuzenza, bayazi ukuthi into engiyithandayo empilweni. So one day ngiyazi ukuthi ngizophumelela.
Okay, some really, really interesting stuff. Okay, another question. Do you think South Africans know the difference between EZ-Card and profile? A very like bathanda ukuhlanganisa lezi zinto zoyi-two. EZ-Card and profile izinto eziyi-two is different. Do you think ama-South African ayazi the difference for that?
I don't think bayazi because even kwamina nami angiyazi ukuthi what is the difference because I only know EZ-Card this year ukuthi kune-EZ-Card and I really know about anything about the profile. So I don't know what is the difference between the two.
Okay. So far khona into yenzayo angithi for ukuthi wazi ukuthi difference angithi yes leso ifihle lemuva futhi nje seyifihla just for manje nje seyifihla ukuthi hayi secret yakho. Okay, another question. Do you think aspiring actors are in the industry for fame or bangene ku industry just for his success?
Lokho angeke ngikwazi kakhulu because sami are there for fame, sami are there for success because izinto ezenzakalayo khona ubonayo nje ukuthi omunye umuntu lento ayisuki ngaphakathi kuye because afuna ifame, ufuna ukuduma and abanye vele uyabona ukuthi vele into abayifunayo empilweni yabo leyo bende bayaphumelela ngalokho.
When ufuna fame or success?
Success, that's why I give up because ngifuna success.
Okay. Then nje you've got the right track on that. Nje uhamba kahle kusho. Another question. Have you acted in any film before? Like either a small film or a big film?
Ngathi a small film but azange ube nempumelelo so angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngalokho.
Okay, experience yakho kuleyo film leyo bekunjani?
I experienced a lot because njengoba ngisho yaseqaleni bengingazi nokuthi nokukhisana wangampela kwezinye izinto ngithi mhlawumbe bayafihla bathi ke nawo actor mele lento uyifile uphile ngaleyo impilo nabakunika i-character ube ngileyo character leyo uphile ngaleyo character so that's why ukuthi mele uyimisele mawenza into uzokhona ukuba lento leyo ukuthi nabakunika i-character wazi ukuthi i-character lena uhamba uresearch ngaleyo character leyo ukuthi umuntu lo wenza into enjena nje kanje uzokhona kulento iphume kuye ngaphakathi ku.
Okay, so kuleyo scene leyo ekufanele ukhisane nomuntu azange umshaya umntana abantu nje ukuthi sekayenzani sewula nomntana abantu
abana bashutha abo cameraman but azange ngenze next
saz. Okay, if you were to change anything ku South African acting industry, what would you change and why bozo change lento leyo?
Anginampendulo.
Ayikho into bozo change. So ku industry yonke into ubona ngathi ihamba kahle.
Nolwazi enough ukuthi ngaba na something edayo so ngabanga nolwazi lanele.
Okay. And question is, are casting agencies in your area doing enough to give knowledge and open doors for upcoming actors?
Unfortunately Mpumalanga asinawo ma casting agency. So that's why most of the people bagcina bahambile eMpumalanga bahlala eJoburg so thina abanye asikhona ngenxa yomsebenzi so siyafisa ukuthi nathi ngabe sihlala eJoburg so inkinga ngileyo asinabo abantu abasiphusha eMpumalanga.
So utravela from eJoburg eMpumalanga uze ngapha uzo hayi ziyabuya. But it's passion, as a passion into moyithanda you do everything for it. Another question, what can you say about the storylines we see in South African screens?
The storyline is
what can you say about the way people act and everything, like the movies and soapies that we see on our South African screens?
konke engibona ke kusase right because anginalo ulwazi olukhulu ngoba lento ngisayiqala nami ngisangakabi ukuthi sengakhona ukucomment ngezinto ukuthi khona okungekho right or kanjani anginalo ulwazi ngalezo zinto lezo ngisafuna lo.
Okay, siyabonga for ukuba nathi today. You've been amazing. And sicela ke ushare ama social media handles la abangakuthola khona ubatshele everyone that the social media is la abangakuthola khona. Are you on social media?
Right, ngiyatholakala ku Facebook ngusesana Beauty Ngubeni, ngiphinde ngitholakale ku Instagram nasikhona ngusesana Beauty Ngubeni. Then ama numbers wami is
ama numbers. Ama number asiphandle ama number.
Okay, asiphandle ama number. Bese ngibapha phela shothi ngizotholakala.
Phela mazobanika ama number manje hayi. You know eventually sozothola ama number manje abantu kunzima ngaphandle kunzima. But then siyabonga for kuba nathi and you've been amazing. And okay, you also okay, uthe khona isikolo ufuna usingenelayo for presenting, right?
Ngenza TV presenting and radio presenting on Q Studio eRandburg.
So do you think Kuti you can maybe close the show for us?
Not for today.
Okay, so Mina okay, so maybe next time if we have. All right. Okay, thank you for being here, man. You've been amazing. And that's it for today, guys. You've heard it yourself. It's been amazing. You've heard the lovely Miss Sisana. That's it. Subscribe on our YouTube channel handle at Makoya Entertainment. Contact us on our social media handles at Makoya Entertainment. Comment on the section below so that you can show our artist some love, man. You know, we'll make sure that she comments as well. She responds to your questions and everything else. From us, that's it, and have a lovely week ahead. We out.